Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to remove a Hyundai Santa Fe door panel. First, gather your tools, including a plastic trim removal tool and a Phillips head screwdriver. Begin by removing any visible screws in the door handle and armrest. Then, carefully pry up the window switch panel to reveal additional fasteners underneath. This initial preparation ensures a smooth process for the subsequent steps. Now, let's tackle the hidden fasteners. After removing the switch panel, you'll find more screws. Remove them all. Next, use your trim tool to gently pry around the edges of the door panel. You'll hear the plastic clips disengaging. Take your time and work slowly to avoid damaging the clips or the panel itself. With all fasteners removed, the panel is ready to come off. Lift the entire door panel upwards to clear the window frame. Then, while holding the panel slightly away from the door, disconnect all electrical connectors. Finally, carefully detach the door handle cable or rod mechanism. This step requires a bit of finesse to avoid breaking any plastic tabs. When you're ready to reinstall, first check all your clips for damage, replace any that are broken. Reconnect all electrical connectors and the door handle cable. Align the panel precisely with the door frame, ensuring the top edge seats correctly in the window channel. Then, firmly press around the edges to snap all the clips back into place.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.